Ah, shucks. Left my light on again. And I'm already late to work. So, put myself in a little bit of a pickle here. Do I risk being late at work for the 19th time this month and go ahead and shut off that light? Or do I just say, screw it, and risk having exorbitant lighting bills for this small LED light being on for a few extra hours? This is a dilemma that has been all over the United States and even the world, leaving the porch light on during the day. And we see it all the time. Well, on this week's Luke's Tuesday tip, I've got the solution for you.
Luke's Tuesday tip.
And that solution is pretty simple. Check out this little gadget. This is a Photocell light bulb switcher on or offer. Go ahead and take a look at the link below. But I bought this thing relatively cheap. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is screw out your light bulb, screw it into the old apparatus, put it back up there. Now that photocell that you've got on there will turn off automatically when it gets light outside. Or you can switch it to stay on for a couple hours, turn off whenever, do a little random. Lots of options there. But that can save you thousands of dollars off of your electrical bill, asterisk, and make sure that you're to work on time. Again, another asterisk. I'm Luke Konjorski. Thanks for watching this week's Luke's Tuesday tip, and we'll see you next Tuesday.